Sing. Sing.
United! It's my own team of United, but got tragedy. But United, you got to be the UFC. Sunday morning.
Hello, baby.
Hello. Hello.
Oh.
Hello, baby. Hello.
So let's go. Show him, buddy boy. Who's buddy? Get over with me. Stop it. Yourself. Say sorry. Sing. Age.
Hello. Sunday morning, walking along, think I dig walking the park. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. Ho, 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 beautiful Sunday. This is my beautiful day. When you say you love me, oh, mama, it's a beautiful day.
And I've always wondered, do big bands and pop stars even care about this when they are touring the world to so many different countries as well? I've heard that R.E.M. are actually fairly conscious about it and do try and learn a few different phrases of the country's language, like, where can I buy some tofu, or why don't you recycle? I heard that when J-Lo tours, her road crew don't even bother to tell her that she's in another country. It's so she can stay focused on her performance, so that the country isn't an issue for her. But wow, what a performance she gives. Up next is an American who is so culturally aware that she wrote a song called Alejandro, Lady Gaga, of course. Up next is her video for Love Game.